Brazier away from the 22. Kelly Brazier up towards the halfway line. Kelly Brazier, she's going to win the gold medal for New Zealand.
I remember them, I sort of turned around for a second and seen they were there, and I sort of had a wee sneaky look back to see if any of my mates were there, and they sort of just gave me a blank look, so I just turned back around and tried to pin the ears back and just headed for that corner, and yeah, thankful to get over the line there in the end.
You're far from old, but you're not the youngest in this team. How did it feel in your legs at that moment?
I couldn't actually feel them, to be honest. It was more the lungs. Once I'd crossed the line, I was trying to catch my breath back, and with all the girls jumping on top. But yeah, it was a very special moment, and yeah, just so proud of all the girls.
And the first time Women's Sevens has been included at Commonwealth Games, and you're now the inaugural Commonwealth Games Women's Sevens champions. It must feel pretty special.
Yeah, it's wicked. Like you said, first Commonwealth Games, and to have the Women's Sevens here is awesome. As soon as we heard about it, we were like, yeah, that's us. And you know, it's a pinnacle event, and so yeah, we wanted to come here and to win gold, and to have come here and done that is just wicked. I couldn't ask for anything more.
And to get one over the Olympic champions and reverse the result of Rio must be special as well?
Yeah, there's obviously that rivalry throughout the World Series, Olympics, and now this. We know every time we take the field against them, you got to be on your game, and that's sevens, and today we were, and yeah, to go one better than Rio is special, and probably remember it for a long time.
You guys take the early lead, Australia fight back, it goes to extra time, it's tight, there's errors on both sides, no one can break free. You couldn't have scripted this one, could you?
Yeah, it felt a bit like that at the time actually. I think the fatigue was setting in, so there was quite a few errors, but yeah, I just remember the penalty, and I looked over to our captain, and she just sort of gave me the nod. She was like, nah, go, we're not going to half time. And so when the whole sort of opened up, I was just like, oh, I've got to go, I don't want to play another 5 minutes. So yeah, I was very happy.
What does it feel like to have that gold medal draped around your neck?
I don't think it's quite sunken in yet, but right now, yeah, I'm just soaking it all in, and just happy to have family and friends here and enjoy it with, and then celebrate with the rest of the girls tonight.